Your DIY marketing isn't saving you money, it's costing you everything. And I can prove it in the next 2 minutes. Let me ask you something honest. How many hours did you spend last week making posts, tweaking your website, trying to figure out hashtags? And how many actual paying customers did it bring in? If you had to pause and think just now, that tells you everything. Most small business owners spend 8 to 12 hours a week on marketing that generates almost nothing. Not because they're lazy, because effort without a system is just spinning your wheels. Here's the thing nobody wants to say out loud. Knowing your business and knowing how to market your business are two completely different skill sets. That's like saying, I know how to eat food, so I should be able to run a 5-star kitchen. You wouldn't think that way about plumbing or accounting, but somehow with marketing, we convince ourselves we should just figure it out. And that gap between knowing and executing, that's where your revenue is hiding. Let me tell you about a woman named Keisha. She owned a beauty bar, great skills, loyal clients, but she'd been doing her own marketing for over a year, posting when she remembered. Random Canva graphics, no website updates. She was working 14-hour days and her Instagram had barely grown. Then she handed it off to a team that built her a real system. Strategy, content across 4 platforms, data tracking, the works. 6 months later, she had a wait list. Same talent, same business. The only thing that changed was leverage. See, a real marketing system does 3 things you probably aren't doing right now. 1, it starts with research. Who is your ideal customer? What are they actually searching for? And what is your competition doing that's working? 2, it executes across multiple channels simultaneously. In 2025, you need to be on at least 3 to 4 platforms, and each one has different rules. 3, it tracks the data and adjusts every single week. Most DIY marketers post, hope for likes, and move on. That's not marketing, that's wishing. And I get it. There are real reasons you've been doing it yourself. Budget is tight. You got burned by someone before. You don't trust anyone to represent your voice. Every single one of those reasons is valid. But here's what I need you to hear. The cost of doing it yourself isn't just dollars. It's time. It's missed customers who found your competitor instead. It's growth you literally cannot see because you're too buried in the grind to notice it passing you by. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified Bible says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance and advantage, but everyone who acts in haste comes surely